today?
Mom, it was fun. I made a new friend.
That's nice. What's her name?
Her name is Cindy.
Is she new to your school?
Yeah, she's a new student. She moved here from Seattle, Washington.
You have an aunt who lives in Seattle.
I know. I like Seattle. It's beautiful there, but it rains too much.
Yeah, that's why we're staying in sunny California.
Cindy and I have a lot in common. We both like drawing, playing with dogs, and eating pizza.
You should invite her over for dinner one night.
Can we, Mom?
Sure, we can order pizza.
Maybe I'll ask her if she can come over on Friday.
Okay, let's invite her parents too. We can get to know them.
That's a good idea. They don't have any friends here yet.